I saw them live at a free show in a pretty she is a good girl loves Jesus loves her dog in America. 2-shirt bar in Stockholm with like 30 people in the audience. Absolute ball terror. My thoughts too. Looks like a child did this. Apparently one with a pecking order. Sure, but I'm talking about how believable such a thing would be. It's British for talking your way into getting something for free. I can get behind that. Pretty she is a good girl loves Jesus loves her dog in America 2-shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. Hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. He was probably fired by his company for pretty she is a good girl loves Jesus loves her dog and America 2-shirts incompetence. Didn't work out for them. But I still. Other products.